Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm popping in very quickly. This is December 1st. I can't even believe it. And so it's time to reveal the Spellbinders Amazing Paper Grace die of the month. This is the Sweetheart Envelope and Note Card set. This is adorable. And it's designed to be used for Valentine's Day, but I wanted to show how you could make a really precious Christmas ornament with this wonderful die. It is really beautiful. I'm working with Prima's Christmas in the Country. This came out a few years back. I still love this paper. I've used it a lot and y'all seem to love it too. I'll give you a quick glimpse at some of the patterns. I've used it and used it, so there's not a whole lot left, but very pretty. So I had a piece of this buffalo plaid left, and that is the great thing about this die, is that if you have small scraps, this is a good way to use it. And think how cute your tree would be with these hung all over it. I just think it's darling. So what I did was I cut out this basic envelope shape, and there are these little rods that fit into the little notches, and they actually score this so that it's easy to fold. There's one that goes here and there's one that goes here. So that is super easy. And then it just folds up. These tabs fold in, you glue them inside the envelope and you're done. It's very fast. And then there's this smaller piece that also has this little scoring mechanism, and you can turn this into a note card, or you can use it as I did here. I put the filigree insert in and cut this little piece out of a gold and cream paper to dress up my envelope flap. And then on the back, I used this square piece to cut out a hole in the back of the envelope, lined it with gold foil, and then the piece that was cut out, I used this filigree piece to create this beautiful inset. It is so elegant. So that is kind of how I did this. I'll show you the inside. I did a little magnetic closure. I tied my ribbon around the flap, and then look at everything you can fit inside here. I've got a precious little note card. You can write a little message, slip in a gift card. Here's our sweet little filigree heart, and I just dressed up a little ATC tag with some of my scraps. So all of this goes in here. The flap closes. Here's our, I just ran the gold metallic string up through the flap, and then this part can hang on your tree. The little flowers, they're these little flower and leaf dies, and I just cut these out of scraps of my designer paper and filled the center with beads. Super easy and such a great way to use scraps. I'm always looking for ways to use scraps. I just wanted to pop in and show you this. It is so easy to do, I didn't really even need to do a tutorial, but wanted to show you. So thanks for joining me, and I'll put a link in the description box below so you can find all of these items online. All right, that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Go get your craft on. Bye.